Okay, best friend, so here's part 2. So I'm gonna take my hair protectant, well, heat protectant, and I'm gonna spray it on the hair. Now this heat protectant that I sell on my website, but it's out of stock. It is a glosser, a heat protectant, and it just makes color treated hair look bomb. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna use. Now my flat iron is on 450. It is on the highest setting. It's not burning the hair. All that smoke you see is the heat protectant. Okay, so I'm gonna just go through the hair and just straighten it basically. And as you can see, like, this hair has like a slight wave to it, but this is straight hair. So a lot of people was like, they was like gagging over the blonde hair that I showed in the first video. They wanted to buy that wig so bad, and I was like, oh no, I can't, because I'm turning it orange. But yeah, it has like a slight body wave looking texture to it, but it's not, it's straight hair. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna just go through and flat iron the hair, and you know me, I'm gonna get to the front and I'm gonna press out the roots of the hair with my pressing comb, just so it can lay super flat. Okay, so after all of it is straightened out, I am going to start applying the wig to my hairline. I am going to clean my makeup off around my hairline with 91% alcohol. I want to make sure that it's clean because I want the lace glue to adhere to my skin and to help, you know, attach the lace to the glue. So I'm going to use Bow Hold Active, and I'm going to put 3 thin layers of glue on my hairline. Okay, so I have my stocking cap on there to protect my natural hair from this glue, because the type of forehead I have to sit my wig on top of my hairline. So some of that glue is on my skin and half of the glue is on the hair cap, which is connected to my hair, but the glue is not directly on my hair because I have a cap that's protecting my hair, as well as that's a layer as well. So after I put my 3 layers on, I am going to let it dry, but I do want to show you guys what the wig looks like inside. So this is my orange fall wig. Yes, I love orange for the fall. It's just a vibrant color, and this is what the inside looks like. Yes, there's some color on the lace, but the color is not on the hairline, and that's all that matters to me. And this is what the wig construction looks like. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it on. So my glue has cleared up, and now I am just going to sit the lace where I want it to be, and I want it to match up with my natural hairline. So I'm gonna just make it match up, and once I know where I want it to sit, I am going to push that glue or that lace into the glue. After I have everything pushed in and my hairlines lined up, I am going to take my blow dryer on warm or hot, whichever one of those that you can stand, and I am just going to make sure that it's melted into the glue. My lace is melted into the glue, and so I do run the blow dryer on my hairline for about 3 minutes, and after the 3 minutes goes, I do go ahead and cut off the lace. So because this frontal is long, I am going to cut my ear tabs off. Some frontals I don't need to do this, and some frontals I do, and I'm just cutting it off because so my ears can be exposed. And after I do this, I'm gonna just go in and cut off the excess lace with my eyebrow razor. And after everything is said and done, I'm going to take my Got To Be Free spray and spray my hairline just to make sure that everything is laid down flushly and right. I don't want any lifting, so this will just help me, you know, make sure that it's all the way melted down into my skin. And the funny thing is, I did not have to even tint this lace. The lace was perfectly my skin color because I put it down and it was ready to go. So I did baby hairs, and then I'm pulling it off. And as you can see, this is what my hairline looks like. I have to do a little bit of cleanup, so all I'm going to do is just take some water and some alcohol and just clean my hairline up from any stickiness or hairspray. And that's about it. And my hairline is basically molded right now, so I'm going to just take my comb and just comb it out. And just so it can look a little bit neater, I'm going to take my hot comb and just run it through the front of the hairline, just so I don't have any flyaways and everything is just running smoothly. And that's about it, you guys. Like I said before, orange is probably one of my favorite colors to wear, so you guys might see me in different shades. And since it's fall, I am going to do like different fall shades, so just be prepared. There's going to be a lot of bleaching tutorials or coloring tutorials coming up you guys' way. But if you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the description box. Remember to watch part 1 of how I got this color and what colors I mixed to get this color. And all the items that I use will be down in the description box. Alright, you guys, so until next time, bye best friends.